Uh-oh.
It's overflowing. What's going on, JSCO? What? It is your homegirl, Sable.
And your homeboy, Jarrett.
And today we are about to do something we have never done before.
And what does that mean?
Ooh. Oh, you're spilling them on the floor, and I caught one right now. Ow, my toe! One of the Starburst hit us in the toe. Or me in the toe. What am I talking about? It hit us in the toe.
Today, what are we doing?
Okay, so today, you guys, we are going to be doing something we have never done before. Basically, we have about like 100 to 200 pink Starbursts, as you see. And we are going to be making the world's biggest pink Starburst waffle.
Ever.
So right now we have our waffle iron.
And we have our Starburst. And now we should get to unwrapping them.
Yes, and as you notice, you know, me and Jarrett, we're coordinating right now. We're all wearing pink. Me and him, we're wearing pink. We're about to eat our pink waffle. Let's just see how this goes. Do you think this is gonna work, Jarrett?
Mm-hmm, because it was my idea.
Yeah, it was Jarrett's idea to do this video, but I don't know. I don't really know if it's gonna like mess up my waffle press or whatever, like my mom's waffle iron, or if we're gonna get like, we're gonna have to buy her a new one. But
and as you guys can see real quick before, because
thanks for cutting me off.
No, I didn't cut you off.
Hot breath. Definitely didn't brush today.
As you guys, I did brush today. As you guys can see, and Sable, shut the hell up.
I will really, I'm not even gonna curse because I don't want this to get demonetized, and just get on with what we're doing, what you were saying.
Your breath stinks like death and your neck is black. So basically, this is an atypical waffle iron press. Normally you see the smaller circular ones. This is a really huge, this one's like the Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles one. So you already know that this is gonna come out really good and it's gonna be amazing and big. And if this video gets, how many likes? 10,000 likes?
100,000.
If this video gets 100.25 thousand likes, we will eat said waffle on camera, and we'll cook other ones in other flavors. So just let us know what you want to see. But anyway,
actually, how about 50,000? That's more achievable.
Let's start. I don't even. Honestly, more like if you can get this.
If we can get this video to 25 likes.
Yeah, 25 likes. Then
200, 500.
2,500.
Yeah.
That's even. I don't think we've ever had.
All right. Well, let's get to this process. We have to start opening up all of these pink Starbursts, and then we're gonna just put it in our iron
clad. Is that what it's called? Ironclad?
I honestly can't speak, so I don't know what to tell you. I can't talk.
All right, let's go, sis.
Okay, so we are done now unwrapping all of the pink Starbursts, as you guys can see right here.
And it was a struggle for Sable, obviously.
Yes, it was a struggle, but you know, I got it together because you see how I actually have little spaces in mine. Like, and Jarrett, you know, his is cute, but mine actually has little apartment complexes and stuff in jazz. But yeah, we're gonna put this in the iron press, and then we're going to see if this works.
Sable said her side is way better. Then why did her side just collapse and mine is still standing, huh? Exactly. So we're just gonna place these in. I'm not really sure how many we should put. But if we put it on top.
Why is it hot?
Because I plugged it in. I plugged it in.
I don't know why.
So they can start to soften, I guess. I don't know.
It's hot as hell.
Are you? Do you think?
Should I do it like this? Just like on?
I don't know if we should put them on. What if we just
throw them on?
What if we just drop them in because they're gonna spread out anyway.
Yeah.
I don't think we should put too much though. Oh, maybe we should turn it on so it can start browning because I turned it down, you know?
Yeah.
I'm thinking as long as we have like kind of even amount in every square, every quadrant. Is that what it's called? It's a quadrant?
Yeah.
Then this might actually work. Let's try this. You're trying to put them all?
Do you think I should take some out or?
No, I think it's better that we have more. Did you just ate one? You just ate one.
I couldn't help myself.
I'm gonna eat on him. Let's try it. Let's try that. Okay. So it's ready. Oh no, it's not ready yet. Okay, guys, this is starting to get hot. What I'm thinking, we let this heat up, but not to where it's like totally, you know, just where it's kind of soft.
Yeah.
Then we close it, because if it doesn't, see.
Ooh. It's already sticking.
Yeah, but it's not trying to close. Oh, we didn't put no Pam.
We forgot the Pam. We have to oil her up. Let me go get it.
At least let's put it on the top part. Something.
Canola oil? No stick? Alright, that's good enough.
I have a cavity. My tooth hurts. On the right side. Let's just close it.
Is it ready? Oh my god.
The oil is all dripping.
Way too much.
Yeah.
Wow, this is going all on my yoga mat.
Well, you shouldn't have been using the yoga mat. Oh, look, look. Okay. I managed to close it. Now we wait.
How long do we wait until it says ready?
I don't know how this works. I just put it on dark. So it can be really hot. But I'm thinking like when it comes out that we're probably gonna have to put it in the freezer or the fridge for it to harden again. So it's not gonna come out when it's sticky. It's not dough. Yeah, so we have to just like wait. In the freezer. We have to just think maybe when it's melted and then yeah, just put it in.
I feel like we should just leave it out for a little bit.
It's kind of oozing out the side. A little bit.
Not too much, so we don't have like too much of a cleanup so far. But we should just.
You don't know what the inside of that looks like?
Well, if it's oozing out, then that means that's a bigger cleanup. That's more cleanup for us. Anyway, so when this is ready, that's when we're gonna just let it sit for a little bit and maybe put it in the refrigerator.
That's the freezer. No, if you watch it back on camera, you definitely were pointing.
I said right here. Look.
No, you said the refrigerator.
No, I said the refrigerator.
This is the fridge.
Actually, look.
This is the freezer.
We can rewind the tape.
We can, and I will show you.
I said the refrigerator. And then look, I'm not moving my hand. Wow, I'm pointing to the
But that doesn't make sense. Look, show me do it. If I'm like, the refrigerator. And I'm touching the
No, because that's a different angle.
Go here.
That's a different angle. No, it's not the same angle. Oh my
god, it's
so we don't have like too much of a cleanup.
Smells. Oh my god. It smells like candy.
So I guess we are gonna have to clean up a lot.
I think it's ready.
It looks like slime, honestly.
smells really good though. We should have put a paper towel. Okay.
Clean it.
I'm trying.
Kago, clean as you go. Kago.
Uh-oh.
It's overflowing.
I don't think. Oh no.
Jarrett, you're gonna have to clean this up. I'm not cleaning this. This is your idea. That means that you need to clean it.
Oh my god. What was I thinking? Maybe if I wipe the edges.
It's really sticky.
It is really hot. Hot, hot, hot. Dang, this thing gets hot.
Oh my god, get this.
It's not as bad as I thought though. It's starting to cool quick. This candy is cooling.
And it's starting to like harden, like it's molding.
We should have probably put it on the light setting. But the candy seems so hard. Who knew it was gonna like do this? This is a really big waffle iron. It needs to cool down.
Okay, it's time to pull her out.
This whole thing is like, our freezer is leaking because we couldn't actually fully close it. So it's actually really wet in here. Let's just open it over here. And we have a nice little plate for our
We're gonna
waffles.
be plating her.
Okay, it didn't stick to the top. That's good, but
there's like a layer of oil on it.
let's take some.
I don't know if it's the Pam or if it's actually the Starburst.
Back it up some so they can see. I'm just gonna. Oh, maybe it is some of the Pam, but I think these are actually made with oil. I don't know how we're gonna get this out, but we're gonna try. It's not coming out. We just have to get underneath. You know, one side.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look the best, but then we can fix that. Okay.
Maybe you can just like pull it up.
I'm trying to peel it.
Wait, hold it. Let me try to peel it. You got it?
Yeah, that's not gonna work. That's a waffle.
Ooh.
It's still warm. That's the crazy thing. Like, it's still warm. You can eat this right now, like it's breakfast.
Honestly.
So we just finished taking the thumbnail for the video. As you guys can see, delicious, 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 delicious. Basically, what would we call this? Instead of like Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles, Jarrett and Sable waffles in, or Starburst, Pink Starburst.
Sable Starbucks.
No, I've
already failed. I've already failed.
So,
leave in the comment section what we should name this.
Yes.
What should we name this this waffle? Like, what is the name of it?
What would be the name of it? And you guys already know the drill. If this gets a whole bunch of likes and a whole lot of views, we will actually eat
all of the wrappers.
Well, I was gonna say we'll actually eat these waffles on camera, but I'm not gonna do it right now because I have a cavity and I do have a sweet tooth.
And your breath smells like gingivitis.
I was gonna say it smells like your but
anyways, you guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, leave in the comment section below what new foods should we do? What should we try next? What do you want us to do? What do you want us to cook next? What experiments you guys want us to do? But before we go, we're gonna give a quick post notification shout out of the day, and it goes to this loyal subscriber right now. You guys already know what the drill is. You must be subscribed to get a post notification shout out of the day. Click on that little bell. Please click on that little bell, and then comment and tell us when you were done in the comment section.
So they shouldn't like the video? Because I was doing this.
Give it a big thumbs up because we're trying to get to 1 trillion views and 1 trillion likes, and comments. Give us a bunch of love on that snow video because we did a lot of work. This took hours. So
and you're cleaning all of this up. So
no.
yes,
I'm
you
not going
are.
to be cleaning
Until
up.
next time, peace, love,
and an abundance of joy.